is the circuit diagram for controlling the LEDs. So these are the components required for controlling the LEDs via MPU6350. This is Arduino Uno, and you need 400 ohm resistors. Wait, and you can control at least 4 different LEDs at a time. So just follow the circuit diagram, and the diagram is given in the description box. So let's move further. Before placing the components on the thermocol, I would like to give a basic introduction about this ISG record and play. So it's very easy to use. It's just a simply plug and play, and its operating voltage is 3.5 volts to 5 volts, and just simply connects the 3.7 volts to that VCC and ground pin. Be aware of polarity. And after connecting, just as here is the port of the speaker, just as simply there is no need to check the polarity, just as simply connect it, but be aware. Yes, so here is the recall button, just as simply press the recall. Hello guys, so I hope you can hear the sound. So it's working. So now let's move to the placing. So for making a card and placing all the components, I'm going to use these thick thermocol sheets. So we have to slice the sheet according to the size of the components. So after slicing the thermocol sheets, your card will seem similar to this. You have to stick this with the help of a double-sided tape or cello tape. So now we have to place all the components and stick it with the help of the cello tapes or any other tape, so that your component will remain at the same position. So after placing all the components, your card will seem similar to this. These 3 LEDs, one MPU6350, voice record and play, Arduino Uno, speaker, and 3.7 volt battery for operating this. To operate this Arduino Uno, I'm going to use 8 volt 1.5 ampere battery pack. So, but I will place at the end of after decorating it. So I'm going to decorate this card with the help of a chart paper. So let's decorate it. So guys, the decoration part is completed. The circuit part is also completed. Now it's time to check whether the LEDs or voice record and play card is working or not. So here I provided a switch to on of the Arduino, to switch on the Arduino. Now it's in working mode. So simply, if I tilt the card downwards, a white LED will glow. If I tilt the card right side, a green LED will glow. And if I tilt the card on a blue left side, a blue LED will glow. So it's in working mode and it's working properly. So now switch off the button. Now it's time to check a voice record and play. So here I provided the button, that press button, and you will play a melody sound. So on pressing the button, wow, what a good song. So guys, I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe my channel, and happy new year guys once again. So bye.